You got your $1,200 stimulus check, or not, and went out and bought a bunch of shit you may or may not need for the pandemic that may or may not come. Inevitably, you ended up with a load of bags like this. So what are you going to do with them? You could A, throw them in the trash, B, recycle them, or C, turn them into a slingshot like this. HDPE plastic, which is the type of plastic that these bags are, is extremely strong once it's melted. The general concept is you put all the bags in, not all the bags, but put the bags in the oven, melt them down. It takes about 3 hours for them to get to the consistency, and then 2 hours for them to cool to room temperature. That becomes called HDPE blank. You can then go to the internet and download a template for a slingshot like this, or any number of different types of slingshots. You cut them out with a jigsaw, and then put a set of bands on it like this, and then a leather pouch. These bands are from Theraband Gold. I got them off of Amazon. And then the pouch is just leather that you can get off Amazon, cut them out, and then attach them with rubber bands. So, let's see how she shoots, or at least how well I shoot with her.